What's the meaning of Alexander Graham Bell? Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell was a Scottish-born inventor and scientist who is best known for inventing the telephone. He was also a teacher of the deaf and worked on various experiments involving sound and communication. He founded the Bell Telephone Company in 1877, which later became AT&T, and his work laid the foundation for the modern telecommunications industry. Overall, Alexander Graham Bell's contributions to the field of communication and technology were significant and continue to impact our lives today.